A student of class 8th of a school donated 2401 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Fine. Each student donated as many rupees as there are number of students in class. Find the number of students in class. Say if you simply look like 2401 rupees are donated, and let's see, suppose there are 10 students and each student donated 10 rupees. What is the money collected? I mean total money donated, that will be 100. That means number of students will be far more than 10, isn't it? So because the money collected is 2401, consider 20 students, each student donated 20 rupees. The money obtained is 400. Still a lot less than this, isn't it? So we go on increasing the value. Suppose let's say, okay, this is less, so let's find there are 50 students and each one donated 50 rupees. Now 50 multiplied by 50, this is like 5 into 5 is 25, and then you increase two zeros, no? 50 into 50, 2500. It's a very close to this now. And actually this money is more than this. That means there are less number of students than this. There are less than 50. Yes, less than 50 students. Now less than 50 means, and also we see in 2401 the last digit is 1, right? This gives us idea that this is the square of a number ending in 1 or 1 or 9. But this number 2401 is slightly less, not very large difference between 2400 and 2500. So it is most likely the square of a number less than 50. That means it should be the square of 49. Let's check. 49 into 49, you multiply, and by multiplication, 9 9 is 81, 9 4 is 36, 36 and 4 is 44. I mean 8, and 9 4 is 36, and 4 4 is 16, 16 and 4 is 19. All right, 16 and 3. Okay, so 1 0 and 4 and 2, 2401. You got your answer. There are 49 students. I mean, discussing this question like this, we are just letting our mind work, like what could be the possibility, and by hit and trial reaching there. But once we have understood this kind of hit and trial process, now we are actually finding the square root of number of students. In this case, would be square root of 2401, and we can find the square root of 2401 either by prime factorization or by division method, and we will get our answer. And to give it a little bit of algebraic touch, we will write, let there be, find the number of student. Let, we write it like this, let number of student be x. Let number of students be x. And also money donated by each student, and money donated by each student is rupees x. Now what would be total donation? Total donation would be number of student multiplied by money donated by each student. So we will say x multiplied by x, that is x square. So what we are getting now, x square is equal to 2401 That means taking square root on both sides. You take a square root here, you take a square root here. So out of this, we can say x is equal to square root of 2401. For the x square, square and square root is cancelled. So find the square root of 2401 by whichever method you like. Let's do it by long. This is, we say, division method or long division method. 24 is a number which is bigger than 4 square but is smaller than 5 square, because 5 square is 25. So we will write 4 times, and 4 multiplied 4 is 16. Subtract, we get 8. Take down this 0, 1. Add these two numbers or double this number. We'll get the same number 8, adding these two or multiplying the quotient by 2. Now 8 and 80, looks like 80 is divisible by 8 10 times, but usually we take here one digit number. So one digit number means we will check 9 times, and you see 89 into 9. 9 9 is 81, 8 9 is 72, 72 and 8 is 80, 801. So we get, if we write the digit 9 here, and we get multiplying 89 by 9, we get 801. We write a 9 here also. So this is your answer, 49. So find the number of student in the class. You can say, therefore, number of student in the class is, therefore, number of students is in the class is 49. So there is one more way you can find the square root, that is by prime factorization. So what you can do is you can simply take the number 2401 and factorize this. Well, is this divisible by, of course, not divisible by 2. So by 3 also not divisible, because sum is not divisible by 3. So 5, no chance, this doesn't end in 0 or 5. Then we check divisibility by 7. So 7 3 is 21, and you have 330, 7 4 is 28, 7 3 is 21. One more time, 7. Now 7 4 is 28, 7 9 is 63. 7 7 7 one more time, 7. So 7 one time. So we can write 2401 is equal to 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. And to find the square root of 2401, you take a one factor from each pair. So 7 and 7, right? So 7 into 7 is 49. So square root of 2401 is 49. That means there are 49 students in the class, and each student donated rupees 49 for the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund.